Hello and welcome. We're doing an audio test today. It's Friday, and it's about 8:15, just before, in the marketplace by the parish council buildings. Parish council. Have you noted this funny thing here? It's they're Monday to Thursday from 9:30 a.m. to 12 a.m. That's long working hours. Never mind, little typo. So we've got 8 compressors here for the air conditioning, well, to keep the freezers and the food in Londis shop, which is owned by Sugesh, and the area manager is Vince, and his parents were actually married in box, which is quite nice. There's a bit of something about that. And we've got some houses nearby. We've got the fountain, which used to supply water to the village down Box Hill, and this is a sight line. And we've got the old country stores, and this apparently used to be the old barber shop. And there's a flat roof there, and apparently the bedrooms are at the front. And this is the parade. Sorry, I got that wrong. Marketplace starts a bit lower. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick recording. Let's just have a look at the rooms. Got a couple of windows open and no one in the sitting room. Okay, so hopefully I won't upset anybody by doing this little test. What I've got here is a tone generator. This I can put up here, and there we are. It's a tone generator. It's like an alarm, so I'll just switch it on. It's motion controlled, so in a minute, when it's reset itself, I can get a level here. So we're about, my normal speaking voice is about -14 on this device, which is a Zoom. Right, so I'm going to just get the level of that alarm and try and set it as a level that's usable as a reference tone. So if I move towards it in a second, it should go off, and then I can get the reading from here, and I'll measure the distance as well. So here we go. It'll be a bit noisy. Come on, off you go. Yeah, it's triggered now, so it's now going to make a noise. So I'm going to set that at -12. Okay, it'll just come on again, and at the same time I'm going to measure the distance. I was taking any notice of that. Interesting, isn't it? So that's the alarm, which is not far. We've got now another compressor's come up to speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that one's stopped. 1. Yeah, there's a bit of mains hum. Mains hum. Okay, let's just got the tape measure. Let's get this tone going again. Okay. I think that will do. Okay. Try not to upset everybody around here. Okay. So now I'll just switch off. No, I'll keep it on the same recording, and I'll go completely quiet. Oh, that's interesting. There's a da-dum as that one was starting up there. That one in the middle. Yeah, there's a start-up noise. Okay.